you. Today I'm here to represent a topic on skip list, that is from Design and Analysis of Algorithm. Myself, Monica from ABS Engineering College, Ghaziabad. So what do you mean by a skip list? It is a type of a data structure which is generally used to maintain different set of keys that should be in a sorted order. It can be in increasing order, it can be in decreasing order. What are the rules of skip list? That means it consists of different levels. It can be 1, 2, 3, 4, depending upon our requirement. In skip list, all the keys appear at level 1. That is, the sorted list appears at the level 1, starting from minus infinity to plus infinity. That will represent the minimum and the maximum value. Each level of the skip list is also a sorted list. If the skip list, its a key appears at level I, then it also appears in all the levels below I. If 21 appears at level 3, it appears at level 2, it appears at level 1 also. Now, what are the different rules? That means an element in level I is pointed down by a particular pointer to the element with the same key in the level below. For example, I've already told that level 3 represents 21. That is also depicted in level 2 also and level 1 also. Top always points to the minimum value at the highest particular level. If we have to find an element with a key x, so p will point to a particular value that is top, that is minus infinity. While 1, that means while we reach at a level 1, we have to find out p will point to the next, that means it will point to 21, where 21 key value is less than 117. Then we'll move into down at the level 2, then 21. Next value is 37, which is less than 117. We'll move down to 71. 71 is less than 117. We'll move to the next pointer, that is 85, which is less than 117. We'll move to infinity, which is greater than 117. So we'll insert 117 between 85 and infinity. Now, if we have to find out 118, then that particular thing can also be done in the same order that we have inserted a particular node 117. Top, or we can say P will point to the top, that will point to the minimum value at a last level. Then P will move towards the next value, where next value has a key value of 21. 21 will move down and will go to 37, and 37 will move down, then go to 71. Next pointer will move on to 85, then 117 is less than 118, and we'll insert 118 here. Now, inserting a new element x at a particular location, or we can say at a particular level. Suppose you want to insert 119 at a level 2, then you can find out what is the smallest value, then 119, and then you can insert this particular value after 71 and before infinity. So insertion of 119 will be done at the particular level which has been defined, say level 2, and also one level below it. If we have level 0 also, then 119 will also be displayed at level 0 also. Inserting a new element x at a particular location, k equals to 4, where k represents your level. In this, we have level 1, level 2, level 3. We do not have level 4, so we'll add level 4 over here. And top will point to the minimum value of level 4, that is minus infinity. And then 121 will be added to level 4, as well as to level 3, as well as to level 2, and so on up to level 1. That is the lowest level. Now, if we want to delete a particular value, then we have to find out a particular x in all the levels. That 71 we want to delete, then we'll find out at which these particular thing is available at level 2 and level 1. Then we can use a standard function delete from a linked list, where linked list is a data structure which stores 2 pointers, that is a value and address to the next location. So in one or more upper levels are empty. Say if you want to delete 71, then we'll find out the value below 71. That is the level which is available here. And we also find out the levels that are available above 71. If they are empty, then we can delete 71 from level 2 as well as from level 1. Now, the worst case time for searching is in the sorted linked list is order of n. That is for insertion, it is also order of n. Bubble sorts, selection sort, it is also order of n. But in skip list, if we do the skipping of nodes, then that particular complexity can be reduced to square root of n. Where traversal here we have followed is a linear traversal, that means searching the node one by one. And we perform skipping of nodes in the normal levels, where we can say in level 0 we cannot perform skipping of nodes, in level 2 we can perform skipping of nodes, in level 3 we can perform skipping of nodes, level 4 and so on. Different type of layers are created in a sorted list, as we have seen in that example, level 0, level 1, level 2, level 3, etc. So skipping of node is done in order to reduce the complexity. That would be all.